MSc in Leading Sustainable Transformations helps you change the world for the better. Today, companies need to transform themselves to face global warming and demands for diversity and inclusion. So, young managers need to shape companies to be sustainable, resilient, and successful. This program is about understanding the business challenges relating to sustainability, developing solutions, and building your own self-confidence to influence others. First, students get deep, research-based knowledge on CSR and business fundamentals. Second, students learn and practice creativity and project management in direct partnership with companies. Third, students develop soft skills, how to get things done with and through people, in one word, leadership. Definitely, I look forward to the international modules. The learning trip in Europe is a full week visiting companies. Then we head for 3 months at the London Interdisciplinary School for a holistic view. There, students complete the Red Thread project, a creative exploration of sustainability in a key sector for which they produce tangible outcomes like podcasts, videos, or apps. Transformative, interdisciplinary, empowering.